shoulder. It's very fantastic, I'm feeling very fantastic just now. He's sitting on my shoulder and looking at me. Hello, whoa. Baby. Arre,
Can't be touched, can't be stopped, can't be moved, can't be rocked, can't be shook. We hot. When will you came to get crunk?
Hi, my name is Hitesh Arora. This girl was a great friend of mine. I caught this crow from my neighborhood at about midnight when I watched it crawling on the ground. And then I decided to take it home to save it from dogs and other creatures. Woo! What's that? You wanna go there? You wanna go to your mother? But you're free, you can fly, man. I think it was a baby crow. You know why? Because when I brought it home and I gave it things to eat, it wasn't eating anything. And then me and my brother had to hand feed him.
Okay.
But it was also very afraid of us, as when we tried to give him something to eat, or when we tried to hold him, sometimes he would freak out and do crazy things. He would run away from us, and I think he didn't like us very much, and he wanted to stay away from us. Well, I had another crow, which was actually injured by the monkeys, so I brought it home and I gave it some things to eat, and then after some days, we gave it to some people working in an animal rescue organization. And then they gave my crow some medics and took it with themselves. Well, I miss it very much and just hope he's good and healthy. Now let's move back to our first crow. Yeah, he was very nasty and my favorite. But after a lot of caring and affection, he became a good friend of us, and then finally he left us. Chala gaya. But I think it was good he left us, because it would really help him to live in the wild with his own species, and he would learn to survive on his own. And I think all the animals, including other birds, should be free just like that. They shouldn't be kept inside cages or homes. They should be left free. So that they could enjoy the nature just like us. Come on. Woo! You gotta be kidding me. Find your mother, man. Hey, Varun. You find his mother?
No, by that.
Whoa. We are gonna find her by the afternoon, huh? Hey, don't try to kiss me.